Hello, and welcome to another exclusive official Harryhausen unboxing. This time it's the Kraken from 1981's Clash of the Titans. Now, the Kraken, of course, is a firm favourite with fans, and I have a personal connection too. More about that in a moment, but the film Clash of the Titans was to be Ray Harryhausen's final feature film. It was his largest budget to date, and was his first picture with MGM, Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer. With more animation than his last three films combined, and a budget nearly 4 times the last picture, Sinbad and the Eye of the Tiger, the stakes were high on what would be this final instalment from Ray Harryhausen. It was a return to Greek mythology, the first time since 1963's Jason and the Argonauts. Audiences had changed too. After Star Wars and Superman the movie, expectations for special effects had never been higher. So this was going to be the ultimate challenge for Ray Harryhausen, and for the first time he came on board with 2 other animators, Steve Archer and Jim Danforth. The film has an all-star cast and some classic lines that were repeated by fans even today.
A titan against a titan! But first you must win Medusa's head.
I first met Ray Harryhausen when I was a student at the London Film School. I made a documentary about his life and work, featuring the original Kraken. Let's have a look.
His professional start was as Willis O'Brien's assistant, but even up to his last film, he has constantly developed his own techniques.
Well, model animation is basically the same principle as the animated cartoon, only instead of using flat drawings, you have a model such as this. In each frame of film, you have to change the position of the model. You have to move it very slightly. You have to move the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the arms, many different parts of the body. It is, of course, much easier to animate a creature of the imagination, such as the mythological Kraken.
Now, here are some exclusive behind-the-scenes images from the Ray and Diana Harryhausen Foundation archive. With an unboxing this epic, I think I'll leave it to somebody else to get us started.
I command you to let loose the last of the Titans. Let loose the Kraken!
Right, here we go. What a magnificent box this is from Star Race Toys. I'm just going to take a moment to have a look at the photography here, because this is the actual creature inside, the model that Star Race Toys have created. And you can see the environment here is very similar to the film itself. I had to take a double take because I thought there was frames from the film. Always exciting to see what's coming soon in the coming soon previews. Kali from the Golden Voyage of Sinbad, a personal favourite of mine. Now, even the lid here of the box has the epic Kraken. You can see from my hands there the scale of this monstrous endeavour. It's a giant. It's soft vinyl, the main figure, but the diorama, which we'll get to shortly, is in poly resin. Here you can see Star Race Toys, Harryhausen, the Kraken, giant and fearsome, I would say. Certainly at 54 centimetres in length, it's the largest creature so far. And of course, the man himself, Ray Harryhausen, the creator of all of the collection here. Wonderful to see his name writ large here on the side with his signature as well. And this, of course, is a part of the ongoing 100 years centenary celebrations. Right, let's have a look. Now, inside, it's tightly packed with polystyrene, which is perfect for transport and travel. And let's get this big guy open. Let's have a look. Right, now he comes in 2, or she perhaps, comes in 2 pieces. Here's the main body part. And here's the second part, the tail. Now you need to heat the body parts with a hairdryer and then attach the tail. It takes a bit of strength, and when you click it in, press hard, because the softened plastic there, once it cools down, it locks in tightly. That's perfect now on the Kraken. How magnificent. For me, I've seen the original up close. You will have just seen a clip from my documentary, Movements into Life. And I must say, it's transported me back to my film school project when I got my hands on the original Kraken when he was minty fresh. How fabulous. Now, as part of the extra special deluxe version, we have Princess Andromeda in her finery here as a sacrifice to the Kraken. Not wishing to spoil the film for anyone who hasn't seen it. And here is the Krypton-like splash. The waves as they crack across the coastline in this deluxe version, and will be part of the stand for the Kraken. So poor Andromeda, she looks her very best, and this might be the last chance she has to wear her Sunday best. Now look at that together, how magnificent. That really is something to behold. The colouring here, the detailing, the shading, and even the pose, very reminiscent of the Harryhausen creature pose. Ray Harryhausen left the creatures in final poses for us here at the Foundation. We've respected that, and the teams at Star Race Toys have replicated that for you. How magnificent. Now, let's see how the Kraken compares with his on-screen brother. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing the Kraken finally being released in that unboxing. You can win your own Star Race Toys The Kraken by liking, subscribing, and sharing here below. You can find out more about us at rayharryhausen.com, where you can find our social media links and our podcasts too. And we look forward to seeing you next time.